everyone, it's Colleen with Artwork by Colleen again. I wanted to thank you all for joining me. Today I'm going to do a kaleidoscope cane, hopefully a little bit better than the last time. The first few pictures I showed you were just some still shots that I took before I decided whether I was going to actually video this one or not. I went ahead and made a tutorial. After I put those together, I decided to stretch out the tip a little bit and form a curve on there. It kind of looks like, reminds me of little swans. You see me flipping them around a couple times like that because I'm literally just trying to decide how I want to present it. At the end, you'll see I put in the bottom between them a little yellow that I apparently forgot to put in the video. So here's another little piece that I made. It's just a green bullseye cane that I wrapped in a little bit of white. I decided to cut it in half. I added a dark pink in there, and you can see here I just thought of a few ways to put it together. It's kind of looking like a face, though it never really was supposed to look that way. Next, I simply took a piece of black and a piece of silver, rolled out on the thickest thing, and pushed them out a little bit, cut it in half, and decided to thin it out one more layer so I could get some more layers in there. Cut it in half again and then add it to my cane. You'll see pink and purple next that I combined and made into another accordion cane. I decided to add a few little white spots here and there just to give it some extra, I don't know, some extra flair, I guess. And that's what it looks like when it's done. I went ahead and cut that in half and put some on each side. I also want you to see off to the left is another piece of purple and pink that I screwed up, but I made the best of it because I put it there as I put the little dots in the wrong angle. Here I simply just added a piece of purple into it, and here I decided to go and just make kind of like some S shapes and go back and forth with the reddish color and then the yellow. And I started to do it as you see here, but then I decided I didn't like it that way. So I cut them in half, made them a lot smaller, and I ended up coming up with 3 little pieces as you can see there. The final step was just to fill in a couple of colors to even it out. Then I reduced it down to triangles, and this is what I came up with. And I like showing a couple of different ways that you can put it so that you get a different kind of look in the end. I hope you all enjoyed seeing another kaleidoscope cane. As always, I greatly appreciate your continued support. I'd appreciate your donation to patreon.com. You guys have a wonderful, blessed day. And here's a quick peek at the jar I covered using the cane.